Hello and welcome. Today, I will take you inside one of the world's most advanced Coca-Cola factories, where simple ingredients are transformed into the refreshing drink enjoyed by millions every day. From purified water and secret flavor blends to high... So stay with me as we explore the fascinating journey of Coca-Cola, canned, from raw ingredients to the bottle in your hand. Monitor the new sorter closely today to avoid bottlenecks.
What about the speed setting on line 3?
Good question. Keep it at 75% for now.
The ratio on VAT 3 is still fluctuating slightly.
Yes, I see that. It seems to be leveling out now.
Consistency is excellent. It meets the standard.
Almost there. How's the flow rate looking?
Stable. Give it one more quarter turn and lock it in.
The mixture ratio is stable. Confirm. We can proceed to the next phase. The flow rate looks stable at 500 liters per minute.
Good.
Keep an eye on the syrup blend ratio.
Pressure is holding steady at 50. All right, begin the transfer sequence on auxiliary 1.
Syrup flow is fluctuating at intake 3. Adjust the water ratio by 2%.
Adjusting now. Levels stabilizing. Equilibrium achieved.
Yes, the mixture is perfect. Proceed with bottling.
flow rate looks optimized now.
Yes, the new settings are working well. We have an issue on the filtration system right here. See the pressure drop down?
I see it. Rerouting the flow now.
Levels are returning to nominal parameters.
The bottle count is holding steady at 1500 per minute.
Good. Temperature looks optimal as well.
The pressure on line 3 is stabilizing.
Yes, the fill levels are back within tolerance now.
Check the pressure on line 3. We have a blinking sensor. I see it. It looks stable for now, but keep monitoring the flow.
Seal integrity is holding steady across the batch, well within tolerance.
And the fill accuracy on line 3 is consistently at 99.8%. Looks good.
We have a slight deviation on the torque measurement at station 4.
Rerunning the analysis now. The optical sensor might be dirty.
The alignment is corrected now. Check the conveyor line.
Looks perfectly centered. The speed is optimal.
We need that pallet on aisle 4 right now.
Copy that, moving it over. Aisle 7 is clear.